Alright guys, what do you think or idea or thought about this tool? Let's open them and see. I know I'm an old dog, but I hadn't seen this tool being famous or people talk about them a lot. I just like, what do you think about them? I mean, is anybody use them out there or really counting on them out there? I found this tool at Ross store in United States. They got all kind of tools, and I looked at them, and the price is very cheap. I'm not saying the quality of the tool are cheap. They look high quality. For example, this one over here, it is $6. And let's open this and see. All right, this looks very good to me. And the price, this is how much I pay for it. I hope you can see it. It's right there, $6 in US. And look it over there. And there is one I found on the eBay, or you can find them Amazon too, but it's not the same price. And it's the exact one. For example, over here, this is the one on eBay right here. And look at the price over there. It is $24.97 plus the shipping. $3.97. That's $4 shipping. So it's like $30 for all together. That means if I don't buy this tool over here for $6, I have to like pay $30 for the same tool, same exact one. This is the one on the eBay. Right there, same exact. Hope you can see it if you focused. Right there, same everything. And the one I got, right there, same everything. On the other side of the package is right there. Hope you can see it. On eBay or Amazon, wherever you look at, it's the same everything. And there is a set of flathead screwdriver right here, and there is a pipe cutter, and what is called chisel set with 3 pieces, and there is a Holesaw, and there is some ratcheting bar clamp. There's 4 pieces, small one and medium one, and there is the electrician set tool over here. But I've been trying to make this video to see what you guys think about this stuff. Don't forget to leave a comment or what you think about it. Are they crappy tool? Are they any good? Is anybody like counting on them, or how you say, rely on them out there? To me, they very look good. I'm going to open a few more. high quality for sure. I'm not lying to you guys, it is very good. I didn't open this one because I got a whole bunch in my toolbox. I got about 2 of these, and then I don't think I got the exact one of this one, but I got related to it. That's what I'm trying to say. I mean, for example, right now there is one of this over here, but I don't want to open this one, and then it's gonna make me gonna have 2 of it. But this is the best one, but the package here is kind of a little bit different, look like low quality. But I got a whole bunch of this in my toolbox, different type, different name, everything, so I'm not going to open this one. But the one I don't have or all is in my toolbox, I open this one because I got a new one. And screwdriver always lose mine, so I open this one. And then this one, I think it will become useful. It's here to spread open. Just pull it and it opens right there. And then put your pipe right there. And then yeah, job is done. So high quality. I cannot believe it is how much? $7. This is so cool. I really want to know what you think about this, guys. Look at them. I'm imagining they are magnetic too. I'm sure it says on the box, but somebody like me can't even read English, so I'm surprised you guys still watching me right now, but I know my English is so terrible. On the box, it don't say it's magnetic, but look at here. It is magnetic. So that is a plus. And let's see if these are, let's do the big one. If they are reversible. Right now it's external use. You use it like here. For example, trying to put them together and screw it like here, and then stay together, and then push you a screw or glue or whatever you're trying to do. But what I'm trying to see, if will it work internal, like pushes out, expands it out. Let's see. Alright, let's do this. Okay, so now to do that is to push this in the right side, and then put this nut back over here and twist it, screw it. I hope I'll get in trouble saying that all the time. I usually get in trouble by my kids in saying words like that. They say, "Oh, Daddy, you said the bad word." I say, "No, I'm not in." Okay, so the interior thingy to expand, let's just say, I hope you can see over there because I don't know, the camera is far away from me. So let's see. Wow, what else can you say? You cannot say I'm not showing you enough. This is how it works. So this is good. I'm sure them too, it works. Let's say, yeah, they got the same screw over here, so it works. Exterior, interior, exterior, interior. That means squeeze and expand. It works both sides, so that's good. Everything is good. And then I'm going to look up the price on this one on website. Could be Amazon or eBay, whatever, it's gonna pop up. And then this boy over here, or either one I can find, because they're not really out there. It's hard to find them, but when you find them, they're high price. Okay, I have another comparison price for the screwdriver. Demolition screwdriver set right there. That's how it looks like on the outside right there. 6 pieces. That way you know I'm not lying. And then the price right there. It is $7 compared to $13. We are comparing to eBay. I tried to search up. They only available on eBay, I guess. So there is this one over here. The price it is $18.99. That means $19 plus 11.76 shipping. OMG. All right, now you can see the shipping. 11.75 shipping. Buy one of these for $19 plus you have to pay to ship it to your house instead of going to this store or any store. This one right here, we may do this one. It says $9.99, that means $10, and then compared to $30. Let's do this one without opening. I cannot find this on the website. I know when I first got them, I know it's 6 months, something like that, but I think it's more than a year now since I got them. There was some of this, it's available on Amazon, but it was a lot of money. So I did this one at the over here, the pipe cutter. Where is it now? This one right here. This is the pipe cutter. So I pay $5 for it compared to $14. $23, and it's finally free shipping, guys. Free shipping. It's free shipping. I know you can see it right there. And the price, where is it? Where did it go? I gotta just zoom it back out, I guess. Whoop. That's the price. And if there is no tax, then not to pay for it. If there is tax, you're going to pay tax. And that's the exact product we got right here. Here's the one I got. Right there. And right there. That's the one on my tablet for $23, right? And this is the one I got for $5. Finally, at the end, listen very carefully. With all this tool over here, okay? I pay $57 for all this, tax included. I mean, price and tax is all included, 57. All right. So, according to this guy over here, it is $4.99. That means $5, and it was free shipping, right? And you see it was free shipping. What if there was shipping? How much would you pay for that? That's a lot of money. As you can see on the other one, it was $11 shipping. That's a lot of money. So the price on this one on the website, as you can see, I don't know if you can still see it over there, but the pipe cutter, it is $23. All right. Let's just set it $5 times 4. Okay. Let's just say they all like that. There was times 4, not including the shipping. If I include the shipping, it could be times 5. You can pay 5 times the price for this one. According to this price, according whatever price is, you could pay. Except right now, for example, I could buy 4 of these for $23 or less. So what I did to make it easy for you, I just did it 4 times. So 57 times 4, it is $228. That's how much I would have paid for this. But being genius, I bought it from that store or at that sale price, and it's very good. So what are you doing when you buy tool? I mean, I like to know, just buy a tool or say, oh my gosh, I'm gonna take this for $24. Oh my gosh, this is so cheap for $24. But and then you keep for $5. Or you buy it from eBay. What will happen? You buy it from eBay, you have to pay about $5 or $12 shipping, and it could be $30 piece of thingy. It's the same thing as you buy at Ross. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I am done. I think I am done. So it is well, in this case you could be end up paying 250 or 300 if there was some of this stuff like 5 times, not 4 times. But if you go to this store, they got lots of selection of tools. They got like automotive tool. They got all kind of tool in there at this brand name. I don't know how long this brand name been out, but I like to know. It's to me, it's not. It's like I haven't lived long enough to know this stuff, and suppose this is the younger guy's toy. Old dog can give a young dog a new toy. Something like that. I don't know because I don't know nothing about this. So come on, bring it on. Comment or share the video. I hope you can see me right now, but it is done. Thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate for your opinion, your thought, your idea. Thank you very much. Until next video, bye for now. Adios mis amigos. Te amo. I love you.